Good God, look at those curls. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's hair tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you all how I achieve the shingling method. Now the shingling method is not something that I do frequently here on my channel because it requires a lot more time than my typical wash and goes, but I do love how defined my hair look once I finally finish, and plus it lasts for a long period of time. Following this video, I will be uploading a week in the life of my hair with the shingling method, so make sure you got your bell notification on so you don't miss when I upload that. But if you want to see how I achieve the shingling method, stay tuned. So last night I did wash and deep condition my hair. I didn't want to style it last night because I didn't want to go to bed with my head soaking wet, but I did however apply some Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner to achieve these two braids that I have in right now. So I won't be applying any more leave-in conditioner because it's already in my hair. So to start the style, I'm just going to take these braids out and put them into some sections to make it more manageable for us to get started. I did do 5 sections. I just left this one out because this is where I will be starting from. So of course the first thing that I'm going to do is take my bottle of spray water and I'm just going to saturate my hair like that. And like I said, I already applied the leave-in conditioner, so my hair is very soft. Applying the water just kind of activate the leave-in conditioner that's already in it. Next I'm going to take my wet brush and just detangle my hair. So for the shingling method, I am going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Smooth. And for the purpose of hold, I am going to be using my Eco Styler with Argan Oil. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Curl Smoothie, about that much, and apply it to this entire section. Just like that. I'm just working it through. I'm going to use this jar here. I do have a new jar of Eco Styler, but I want to finish up this jar first. So I'm going to scoop up some gel, about that much. Hope you all can see it. And I'm going to apply that to this entire section as well. So even though I'm doing the shingling method, I still want to make sure that I get the gel to the roots of my hair. So with the shingling method, you just want to grab a section of your hair that kind of falls in place by itself. Here, like if I grab this section, we kind of see that this curl is by itself, or this section is by itself. You see what it just falls in place by itself. So we're just going to grab one section like this with a little bit more gel. So this is how I do my shingling method. I just grab one of those sections like that and I wrap it around my finger like this. I hold it for maybe 3 to 4 seconds and then I just kind of take it down like that. That's how I do my shingling method. So I'm going to be doing that same method all the way through my head. I just want to show you all again. So I just grab a section of the curls that's just kind of fall in place by itself, maybe like that. I add just a tiny bit more gel to it and then I just wrap it around my finger like this and I hold it for a few seconds and I just pull it down. And that's how my curls turned out. And this is why I said it requires a little bit more time than your wash and go. But I really like how my hair turned out after doing the style. If you all have watched my natural hair journey, I actually inserted a picture of the first time that I did the shingling method. And that was back, I want to say July 25th, 2016. But my hair was way shorter at that time. I really didn't like the way that my hair turned out on that particular day because I used so much gel that it was very crunchy. But days after, my hair looks so good. I mean, so good. Sometimes when I do my wash and goes and I feel like one of my curls is not as defined as the rest of my hair, I do use this method as far as like twisting it around my finger. Once you get the hang of it, put your music on and just work your way through, and it probably won't seem as long, but when you first do it, it do seem like it takes a really long time. If you want to make your curls bigger, you can, but I think this style is really good for people that is transitioning. It helps you define your curls or areas that you have like heat damage and things like that. I do encourage people that is transitioning to try this style and see how your hair turn out. There's other methods to shingling your hair. You don't have to do it this way. Some people just pull their hair straight with gel like that and then kind of crunch that whole section at the end, and that is still called the shingling method. Anytime you single out each curl, that is shingling. So if you all have watched that video of me doing my natural hair journey, the style that you on there is the shingling method. I had no intentions on actually doing the shingling method. I just started to separate each curl as I was applying the product for a wash and go, and then I was like, oh, look how my hair turned out, let me just keep on going. So this right here that you all are seeing is just me redoing the same style again. I will be showing you all a week in the life of my hair. Some of my videos are backdated only because I have been suffering with allergy issues, which I actually thought was just a basic head cold, but come to find out it's not. I have allergy. Oh, look at that one. That turned out really pretty. Definitely make sure that you tune into my community tab, because I will be using that more often to let you all know what's going on, and follow me on my other social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. I will have that linked here in the video as well as in the description box below. This is the entire section. You can already see how defined my curls look without it even being dry. The curl smoothie will definitely dry clear. I just wanted to give you all a close-up. So of course I'm not going to put you all through the torture of watching me shingle each section of my hair, because like I said, it will take some time. However, I'm going to fast forward through this, so make sure you go grab you a drink or something to eat, and I'm going to play a little bit of tunes so you all can continue to watch. Guess what, y'all? I almost forgot to turn the camera back on. I cut it off just to save some time while I was doing majority of my hair, and I almost forgot to cut it back on. So I just finished up this small section right here, but this is the back and how my curls are looking so far. It's still a little damp back there. Let me show you. So this is how we looking. And keep in mind, once my hair is completely dry, you will not see this white product here all in my head.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this can't be.
Whew. So I'm finally finished finger coiling or shingling my hair, and this is how it looks so far. It's still wet. I actually just finished, so I just wanted to show you all what my hairs look like. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to tweak a few curls, like this for instance look pretty frizzy compared to the rest of them. So when I say tweak it, I'm just going to take a little bit more gel and apply it to my fingertips and just retwist it again. So I will be doing that off camera. I just wanted to let you all know, being as though I took my time out to really finger coil each one, I just wanted to kind of look defined. And I'm not going to go through all of them and make sure all of them look like that, but just the ones that's in the front. So yeah, so pretty much this side looks really good. I don't think I have to do anything with this, but I can't see the back of my head, so I will be looking at that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to add the week in the life of my hair to this video, but once I'm finished editing, I can determine that then, because I don't want this video to be too long. But if not, definitely look forward to that video coming after this one. By the way, I wanted to ask you all, how do you count the days of your hair? For instance, like once you finish styling your hair, do you consider that day one, or do you consider day one when your hair is completely dry? I will be counting day one as the next day. So if I'm not able to add the week in the life of my hair with the shingling method, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Definitely make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. But if I am able to add the week in the life of my hair, stay tuned for that.